Welcome to Canaria Tex, where quality and innovation weave together. Based in Pakistan and exporting worldwide, we specialize in premium quality textiles for home, hospitality, healthcare, salons, and spas. With over 25 years of experience, our team blends tradition and technology to deliver products that meet the highest industry standards. Our own production unit ensures flexibility, fast turnaround, and exceptional quality for every client. Whether you're launching a new business or scaling your brand, Canaria Tex is your trusted partner in sourcing textile products.